Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord installation failed error step by step so you can get the app installed smoothly in 2026. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can cause installation failures. Make sure you have a stable connection and, if possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for reliability. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks Discord's installer. After installation, you can re-enable your antivirus. Also, run the installer as administrator by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Now clear any leftover Discord files. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and delete the Discord folder. Then go to % local app data% and delete the Discord folder there as well. Old or corrupted files can prevent new installations. Another important step is downloading the latest Discord installer directly from the official website. Avoid using cached or outdated installers. If the installation still fails, check for pending Windows updates. Go to Settings arrow, Windows Update, install any updates, and restart your PC. Outdated system files can sometimes block installations. Finally, try reinstalling Discord after these steps. In most cases, these fixes will resolve the installation failed error. If this guide helped you install Discord successfully, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PC and Discord troubleshooting tutorials in 2026. Get back online and enjoy Discord without issues.